Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize CyberGhost on Android tablet step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your Android tablet. Locate the Play Store app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Open the Play Store app. In the search bar at the top, type CyberGhost and press enter. Once the search results load, find the CyberGhost app. Tap on the CyberGhost app icon to open its page. Press the Install button to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open the CyberGhost app by tapping on Open. You will be greeted with the welcome screen of CyberGhost. Here, tap on the Login button. Enter your CyberGhost account credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account, tap on the Create an Account option to sign up. Once you've entered your credentials, tap the Login button. After logging in, you might be prompted to grant necessary permissions. Allow the requested permissions for the app to function properly. You'll now see the main dashboard of CyberGhost. To start using the VPN, select a server from the list or tap the Connect button. Once connected, you will see a notification confirming your VPN status. You are now authorized to use CyberGhost on your Android tablet. To disconnect, simply tap the Disconnect button in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.